29 forecast.
And here is the view as seen from Carter Mountain here on this Tuesday evening. It's been a gorgeous day. A few high clouds out there, maybe a little dissipating cumulus cloud. Temperatures were warm, but it was comfortable because of the drier air. Speaking of a nice shot this morning, how about the sun rising there at Afton? Kenneth Johnston captured that shot, and there were certainly locations this morning that started in the 50s. How is that for July? 88 is the current number at the airport, touching 89 for a high today. Mid-60s the morning low. The air mass is dry, reflective of the dew points in the 50s. In the summertime, numbers in the 50s for dew points, that's comfortable. Those numbers are your friends. 84 current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, and as mentioned, 55 to start this morning. Still 85 in Louisa, 84 in Palmyra, 82 in Waynesboro, and 84 currently in Madison. Temperatures tonight primarily in the low and mid 60s, so still comfortable. Tomorrow, sort of that transition day. We'll jump into the low 90s for daytime highs across central Virginia and pretty close in the Shenandoah Valley. A little uptick in the humidity and should remain dry here for Wednesday. Things will change, however, as we move into Thursday. Noticeably more humid. There will be, along with the heat, some pop-up afternoon showers and thunderstorms. We'll have to watch if a line of storms develops out to our west Thursday evening. We'll kind of do that again on Friday as well. The coverage may vary each afternoon, but nonetheless, we'll certainly have those opportunities for afternoon and evening storms. But tomorrow does start our stretch of 90-plus degree heat. Now, looking for Thursday afternoon and evening, we do have a marginal risk for severe storms. That's mainly isolated. Right now, a 1 on a scale of 1 to 5 for severe storms. The main threat being some damaging wind gusts, something that will follow. High pressures over the mid-Atlantic region, and that will begin to shift farther offshore. As it does so, we get more of a return flow out of the south and southwest. That will increase the humidity, coupled with the hot temperatures over the next couple of days. That's our ingredients, along with an approaching frontal boundary that's working its way through Canada and portions of the Great Lakes. Currently, New York and New England are dry, but cleaning up from the devastating flooding that occurred Sunday into Monday. But more showers and more storms are on the horizon. This frontal boundary working its way through the Great Lakes and back across the upper Midwest will kind of hang out in this general vicinity. It'll push a little farther south, and as mentioned, with the heat and humidity as we go into the late week, will give rise to more in the way of showers and thunderstorms. The big heat still out across Texas and the desert Southwest, but we're certainly going to see some more heat in terms of 90-plus degree temperatures over the next several days, taking us through the weekend and even into next week. So we're not done with summer by any means. Temperatures are in the 60s to start. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the low 90s. Should remain dry here for Wednesday. And then a noticeable uptick in the humidity along with the hot temperatures here on Thursday. Here we are in the afternoon with low and mid 90s. We'll watch any storms that develop off to our north and west. Some of those could get in here Thursday evening, and that'll be the potential maybe for a few of those turning severe. Tonight, mostly clear, comfortable, low and mid 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast with a new heat wave building. Temperatures again in the lower 90s. Storm chances will be with us here as we go into the late week. They'll take us into the weekend. Not that any one day is a washout by any means, but those afternoon and evening hours will give rise, along with the heat and humidity, for some of those storms.
It is mid-July, isn't it?
There we go.
It is.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.